making double chocolate Rice Krispie treats. First you need 6 cups of Next, add 1 cup of chocolate chips. 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 bag of marshmallows. Stir until they're all melted. On slow heat to take 5 to 10 minutes. Of cocoa powder and stir it up. The melted marshmallows and stir. Put the Rice Krispies into a dish. Gently the back of the spoon. Let them sit for half an hour until they cool. Guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe and watch all our videos. Bye!